Welcome to Pattaya, Thailand. And this is our day 3 sa Thailand. Sa pag-ikot dito sa Pattaya, Thailand. Nakapag-check out na tayo sa hotel. Punta naman natin yung Pattaya City. So now we have arrived at Pattaya City. Siyempre, mahaba rin yung biyahe natin mula sa Bangkok. About almost 2 hours. And siyempre, mga 3 pa yung check-in natin sa hotel. At nandito tayo ngayon sa may sanctuary. Ito yung una natin pupuntahan dito sa Pattaya. And let's see what's in here. At 100% na gawa siya sa kahoy.
Right now, okay? Over here you can see it's decorated with Ramayana epic, and that reflects the truth of human life, that in every society there's always good and bad. But eventually our aim is that good will always win over evil. But it all depends on all of us. And they stand up there, they always say that they feel like they're a royalty. Like one time princess, prince, king, or queen. Isn't that amazing? Now this is actually our inspired royalty balcony called Singha Banchorn balcony. It is used by the king to grant a public audience in special occasions. Now the only sacrifice you have to make is one of you must come down here and take photo from up there. So just a little sacrifice.
Pasok na tayo sa loob. Let's see what's inside.
So everyone over here. Alright, this way. Okay. You're going to like it there. It's even more cooler. Now the second part is about how we can all survive together. It represents the cycle of life that reminds us all of birth to death. Our life depends on nature. Okay guys, kay Jollibee. Opo, pwede na po kayo kumuha ng litrato. Ha? Ilan po kayo? Siyempre mga Pilipina na. Enjoy nyo po yung tour. Enjoy nyo po yung moment. Salamat po. Maraming salamat. Sige na po.
Ngayon po nandito tayo sa may sanctuary of Truth Museum. Bakit na natin tayo gawa sa kahoy. So sobrang luwang dito sa loob guys. At hindi naman siya gaano mainit kasi may hangin. Tsaka kabindagat pala itong museum na to. So pag nasa balcony ka, nakikita mo yung labas, dagat. So here, no? Dahil sa may balcony. Kita natin itong view dito sa dagat. Alis na tayo. Tayo sa dating magawa. This dami. Katulad din ng, pero yung sa Bangkok, isang kama lang.
Ang malaking bed.
Dito dalawa lang.
Twin bed.
Meron tayong terrace.